Hi, Ma'am Bernadette. Good afternoon. Can you tell me about yourself?
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Bernadette Baltasar. I am 47 years old. I live in Block 40, Lot 21, Northville 9, Iba Oeste, Kalumpit, Bulacan.
Okay, what is your current marital status?
Single mother, ma'am.
Do you have kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please indicate the age of your children and their gender?
Yes, ma'am. My first one is son. He is 25 years old. The second one is the girl, 23 years old. And then the youngest one is girl also, 20 years old, ma'am.
Okay, how many siblings do you have?
5, ma'am.
Are you the eldest or the youngest?
The second one elderly, ma'am.
Okay, tell me about your educational background.
Second year college, ma'am.
Okay, can you please state the reason why you did not finish college?
Yes, I took second year college only, ma'am, because I have lack of financial support, ma'am.
Okay, do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
For how many years, ma'am?
5 years, ma'am.
And what country?
Bahrain, ma'am.
As a DH, ma'am?
DH and nanny, ma'am.
Okay, can you indicate your duties and responsibilities as a domestic helper and nanny?
Yes, ma'am. I worked for 2 years for Bahrain for household, ma'am. I just clean, iron, sometimes cooking. And after that, I have worked for 3 years for baby sitting. I'm doing for them for giving food, playing, and then after medicine or the overnight staying with them, playing, and after that relaxing them, watching them overnight sleep. Thank you.
Okay, did you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
How would you describe yourself?
I am a trustworthy and I'm a hardworking mommy. And then I'm willing to learn and work for your company, ma'am.
Okay, do you have any tattoo in your body?
No, ma'am.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
Yes, I want to work abroad because I want to sustain my family needs and I want to build my own house, ma'am.
Okay, are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Give me your idea how can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
Yes, I want to play with them. I naughty children. Sometimes I'm playing with them. Stay calm with them and then more patiently, ma'am.
Okay, your last question, ma'am. What is your message to your future employer?
Yes, ma'am. I am a hardworking mother and I'm willing to work and follow your rules, ma'am. I'm not a perfect person, but I'm willing to teach and follow you as much as you can, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.